I messed up my hand in a surprisingly bad way. I messed up my hand and you might be surprised to hear how I did this. This was a rope burn. I've got to change these band-aids here, and I'll show you what I'm doing to take care of it and why. I was driving down the highway and there's a little circus on the side of the road, and just out of the corner of my eye I saw this movement, and it was a tiger, and a huge tiger, and I stopped the car immediately, jumped out, was able to snag the tiger with a rope. Okay, that's not what happened. It was nowhere quite as interesting as that. I just was playing with the kids on the swing and trying to do a goofy trick, running and grabbing onto the rope, and the diameter of the rope was just too small, so I just slid all the way down it. The bad part is I may have sprained this finger. It's made chores actually pretty challenging because I really only have one good hand here. That's not for you, just for the pigs. Watch out, guys, come on, here you go. I can hold stuff in my right hand, but I don't have any grip. I don't have a grip. So it hurts right there, and I've been pushing to straighten it out. The last thing I want though is to lose range of motion with this somewhat minor injury, but it's a minor injury, but it's really quite challenging just to do basic stuff every day. I can carry a bucket kind of like this, but not really like this. And Bree was the one who milked this morning. I said, I'll help you, but I've only got one hand. She did all the milking with her 2 hands. Okay, I'm gonna show you my hand now. This is what comes from teenage level, no offense teenagers, reverting to teenage level impulsivity. That's scientific, that's not condescending. It looks so much better. This is like what it looks after treating it for multiple days, but I still have these giant blisters here. And every time that I let them dry out, like I take my bandages off overnight and then I had to re-straighten my hand in the morning. Last night I re-straightened this hand and this was bleeding, so it's getting a lot better. I'm actually using triple antibiotic ointment, which I'm philosophically against. The bacitracin in it is actually effective against MRSA, and when you work in healthcare you're at a high risk for getting MRSA infections, and I'm kind of don't want that. Plus I'm working around these animals. Every day I'm washing my hand and then putting on this triple antibiotic ointment, which also keeps it from splitting and drying out too much. So that's my explanation of how I hurt my hand, and also why I've just been laying on the couch for the past 5 days, because I'm an injured individual. I'm a victim of my circumstances. That was a silly joke. Yeah, I've been working and doing everything just like I normally do. I just don't have the grip that I normally have. I'm not even sure if I'm going to publish this video. I'm thinking about it right now. But anyway, if I do, then you're seeing it now. And thanks for joining me for this short little video about my rope burn caused by the escaped tiger. So yeah, bye.